Hello everyone, welcome back my channel. Daily use English sentences.
Maybe हो सकता है, maybe I think so, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, I think so. Suddenly अचानक से, suddenly. Something like कुछ ऐसा ही, something like. Forever हमेशा के लिए, forever. Don't worry चिंता मत करो, don't worry. At any cost किसी भी कीमत पर, at any cost. Let's go चलो चलते हैं, let's go. This was necessary ये ज़रूरी था, this was necessary. She is taking rest वह आराम कर रही है, she is taking rest. Nobody came कोई नहीं आया, nobody came. What did just tell you मैंने अभी आपको क्या बताया. I told you मैंने कहा था, I told you. Doesn't matter कोई बात नहीं, doesn't matter. Nothing will happen कुछ नहीं होगा, nothing will happen. Look ahead आगे देखो, look ahead. Look behind पीछे देखो, look behind. Not you तुम नहीं, not you. Not now अभी नहीं, not now. What why लेकिन क्यों, what why. Stay at home घर पर रहो, stay at home. Don't go outside बाहर मत जाओ, don't go outside. Leave it to me यह तुम मुझ पर छोड़ दो, leave it to me. What on one condition लेकिन एक शर्त पर, what on one condition. Another time अगली बार, another time. What now अब क्या, what now. It's the only way यही एक रास्ता है, it's the only way. Is the true क्या ये सच है, is the true. Well done keep it up बहुत अच्छा, इसे जारी रखें, well done keep it up. I don't think he will come मुझे नहीं लगता कि वह आएगा, I don't think he will come. He thinks I am thief उसे लगता है कि मैं चोर हूँ. I think he getting late मेरे ख्याल से वह लेट हो रहा है. You should think once again तुम्हें एक बार फिर सोचना चाहिए, You should think once again. Get your homework checked अपना होमवर्क चेक करवा लो, Get your homework checked. Who will solve this question इस सवाल को कौन हल करेगा, Who will solve this question. Do you not have brain क्या तुम्हारे पास दिमाग नहीं है, Do you not have brain. You should take it यह तुम्हें लेना चाहिए, You should take it. I will do everything to make her happy. मैं उसे खुश रखने के लिए सब कुछ करूँगा. I will do everything to make her happy. Are you ready to come now? क्या आप अब आने के लिए तैयार हैं? Are you ready to come now? At least, कम से कम, at least. Be alert, सतर्क रहो, be alert. Somewhere else, कहीं और, somewhere else. Erase it, इसे मिटाओ, erase it. For what, किस लिए, for what. For whom, किसके लिए, for whom. I can do it, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, I can do it. I forgot, मैं भूल गया, I forgot. I got it, मैं समझ गया, I got it. I'll pay, मैं भुगतान करूँगा, I'll pay. It works, यह काम करता है, it works. Clean it up, इसे साफ करो, clean it up. Stop him, उसे रोको, stop him. Stand up, खड़े हो जाओ, stand up. I shall read this book today, मैं आज यह पुस्तक पढ़ूंगा, I shall read this book today. He will come here from his village tomorrow, वह कल अपने गांव से यहाँ आएगा, He will come here from his village tomorrow. I will read today, मैं आज पढ़ूंगा, I will read today. We will help you, हम तुम्हारी सहायता करेंगे, We will help you. Shut the door, दरवाज़ा बंद करो, Shut the door. Please sit here, कृपया यहाँ बैठिए, Please sit here. Always speak the truth, सदा सत्य बोलो, Always speak the truth. Let me sleep now, अब मुझे सोने दो, Let me sleep now. Don't open the door, दरवाज़ा मत खोलो, Don't open the door.